Well, I don't know whether you can see this on camera or not, but the river has burst its banks. I'm parked over there and I'm not sure. I mean, it went halfway up my wheels. Yeah, it went halfway up my wheels. There we go. There's the consideration you get from other drivers. So, the car park's flooded. It's as simple as that. So, I don't think I'm going to get any boy racers down here tonight. I am at, where am I at? Burford, Oxford, well, Whitney. And I was going to get the bike out and go into town, but I'm taking the bike through that bloody great big puddle. It is a little bit deep. Oh, I wonder if she went faster. It's a bloody female driver. Oh, that's it. I got wet feet now. So, I'm going to park up, see what internet I've got, and upload a video. I just hope it doesn't get too deep. I mean, it has been giving flood warnings over the radio. I could do with turning around as though it slopes the other way, couldn't I? But there again, I won't roll out of bed. Yeah, I definitely got a river running past the door. Let's get back in through the drivers. Yeah. Field looks dry. I'll park in the field. I reckon I might have come in a little bit too far, don't you? So I will pull out tad. If I can find the key again. There we go. Right, I'm right the way down there in that far corner, and the river is about to break its banks again. So I'm hoping I'm not going to get flooded again. It flooded the first day I got here. I don't know whether I got the footage of that because I forgot to turn my dash cam on. I hope it doesn't flood again. Oh. So, yeah. There you go. It's right up to the top of the banks on that side. And I'm going to take a walk into town. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'll find a coffee somewhere. The architecture here. It's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. There's the Royal Oak. On Google Maps there's an awful lot of photographs of the inside of that one. There's all this limestone, chalkstone. Yeah, it's limestone. Sandstone, sorry. Get it right in the end. Yeah. Lots of little jutting out windows and hardly anything to the same style, but it all looks the same. And there's the Angel with the doors open at 8 o'clock in the morning. Lovely little timber frame building in between the lot. And now we're coming out onto the main street. And I'm looking for the co-op. I think it's up that way. Not sure. I know all this time of morning all the pubs and hotels and everything are shut. But it's a fantastic little town. I haven't been here for years. Burford. Well, that was amazing. I've spent money How? A little tiny half bag like that, 75 quid. Wow. These little Cotswold villages do tend to be one-street towns. Everything to see really is in the centre on the main street. The churches and that come off it. That's what I find anyway. There's a beautiful mansion up there. I've got to cross over. If I don't get run over, can I get through? Nope. I will after the Land Rover. So he leaves it to the last minute to indicate. Patio garden at the rear. Whoa. That's it, ladies and gents. Right, I'll turn you off because I'm not going down that way any further. I'll make my way back to the car park and move on. I have literally had one night here, and as I was walking out of the car park, there's a little tiny sign. I'll point it out when I get a little tiny says no camping. I wasn't camping. I live in the vehicle I parked. Burford School. Some lovely scenery for the kids to see every day. Architecture. And I can feel my foot, this camera's starting to click as I'm walking. Well, Commonwealth War graves. Let's walk in, I suppose. Yeah, look at this. This is the entrance to the car park over the bridge, and the river hasn't got any higher by the looks. I don't know, it might have, but there is absolutely no signs. It just says free car parking. Yes, I reckon that might have gone down a tad. But there are no signs whatsoever as you approach to say no overnighting. What's on the inside of this side? Park within bays only. Oh, and then a little tiny sign. The other side of the fence. Yeah. The other side of the fence. There's a map of the town. So there's one sign there, which is useless if you don't park up this end. There's one up there. Oh, it says maximum stay 12 hours. Yeah, must not park caravan trailers over 3.5 ton. Well, that's okay, I'm under that. And there's nothing up there that says no overnight camping. And that's the sign that you sort of look at when you come in through that entrance. toilets. The water was right up to here when I came yesterday. But I know they're sticklers for parking within the bays. And if you do park within the bays, you've literally got 6 inches to be able to open the door to get out. There's no cars parked together that I can show you, but it is. Oh, there's one right on the top of there. But I'm not camping. And I did notice there's one on that post over there, but that's it. Yeah. That's the full view of it.